Hi, I'm Tanisha and you're watching this video with just Tutors.com. Today we'll learn more about equations, and in this video we'll be working with different paths to linear equation, moving from solution to equations and moving from equations to solutions. Before moving to our topic, let us try some warm-up questions first. If you want to try the questions by yourself, please pause the video and match your answers later. Question number 1. Find the value of x in the following equations. Part A. 2x take away 5 is equal to 35. If we try to solve the equation for x, the answer would be 20. Part B. 2x add 8 is equal to 12. For this, the value of x is gonna be 2. Let's try question number 3. Write the equations for the following statements. 1/4 of a number add 4 gives 16. So 1/4 of a number, let the number be x, add 4 is equal to 16. B part, if you subtract 3 from 1/3 of z, you get 30. So 1/3 of z, take away 3 is equal to 30. This is how the equations would look like. Now let's move to the topic, which is following the different paths. So we'll start from moving solution to equation. First of all, let us recall that going from equation to solution is a normal path that we usually do. However, moving from solution to equation is a reversed path. In this case, we actually form an equation for a given solution. Let's try to understand that with the help of an example. Form a linear equation with x is equal to 5. So the final answer is already given here, x is equal to 5. We just need to form an equation on it. So our first step is multiply both sides by 4. 4x is equal to 20. This is how this equation would look like. And the next step is subtract 7 from both sides. So the equation would be 4x minus 7 is equal to 13. This is the required equation. It is not necessary to always multiply on both sides by 4 and then subtract 7 from both sides. You can try different operations as well. Let's try another one. Let's try to add 4 on both sides. So it will be x plus 4 is equal to 9. And then multiply by 2 on both sides. So the equation would be x plus 4 multiply by 2 is equal to 9 times 2. And hence, it would be x plus 4 times 2 is equal to 18. If you can write it more properly like this. So this is just another equation for the same solution. This is how we can form various equations on a given particular solution. Can you form an equation for solution y is equal to 3? I'm sure you can try it. Let's move to the next slide. So now we'll be following the regular path, which is from equation to solution. So let's try to understand it with another example as well. The sum of 4 times of a number and 14 is 30. So first of all, we need to write an equation for it. We need to search for the subject, which is a number because we are talking about it. And it is being said that the sum of 4 times of a number and 14 is 30. So first of all, we need to suppose that the number is y or any other variable of your choice. And we need to do 4 times the number. So it will be 4y. And then we are adding 14 to it. So plus 14, and the result is 30. So it is equal to 30. So the equation is 4y plus 14 is equal to 30. Now, you can follow either path, adding or subtracting both ways or transposing. In this case, we have used adding or subtracting on both sides. So we are taking away 14 from both sides. So the equation is 4y plus 14 minus 14 is equal to 30 minus 14. Now we'll simplify the equation and it would be 4y is equal to 16. Now step 3 is to divide 4 from both sides. So we'll be dividing the equation by 4 on both the sides. It will be 4y divided by 4 is equal to 16 divided by 4, and the answer would be y is equal to 4. This is how we can move from equation to solution. Let's try some practice questions. And then we've got some more questions right here. Please try the questions by yourself and you can match your answers right here. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please log on to justtutors.com.